This is the 2-bit asynchronous counter. 2-bit asynchronous counter. See here, the first flip flop I am giving clock. For second flip flop I am giving Q bar. Okay, so it is up counter. See, we getting 00, 01, 10, 11. After that we getting 0. It is up counter. 2-bit asynchronous up counter. For J and K, I am giving always once. I am giving always once. This is asynchronous counters. For synchronous counters, what I say, output is clock signal will be same. The clock signal will be same. So now I am taking clock signals. So I am taking clock signal same. See here. I am taking clock signal same. I am taking clock signal same. Okay. And for J, K, I am giving always 1. Let us see what happens. For J and K, I am taking 1. We are getting 1001. 1001. What happened? 00 and 11. Whenever clock pulse is same, we don't getting two states. We missing two states. So JK values are not 1. JK values are not 1. Okay. JK values are not 1. So we have to find out JK values. Because if I take 1 1, we getting 1 0 or 0 1 only. We getting missing two states, right? You have to find out JK values. Okay. See how it is possible. There is a separate procedure. Okay. Here is the procedure. So for synchronous counter, clock is same. So then what about J and K? There is a special procedure. So first step, find out the number of flip-flops we required. Okay, suppose I given 3-bit. So 3-bit means you have to draw want 3 flip-flop. I want 4-bit means 4 flip-flops. Mostly we design JK flip-flop only. So I am taking JK. Okay, I am taking JK. If they ask T flip-flop, you have to find out T flip-flop. Okay, whatever flip-flop they are, you have to do it. Okay, make a excitation table. Okay, next draw the state diagram and state table. Step 3, from the state table prepare the excitation table of counter. Next minimize the expression. Step 4, draw the final circuit. Okay, draw the final circuit. Now I want to design a 3-bit up counter. Now I want to design a 3-bit up counter. 3-bit up counter using JK flip-flop. Using JK flip-flop. So what is step 1? We required 3-bit means 3 flip-flops. Which one? JK. So excitation table of JK. You have to draw the excitation table of JK. So present state, next state, JK 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So excitation table of JK is 0 1 don't care 0 1 don't care. This is the excitation table of JK flip flop. Okay. Next, step 2. state diagram. I am designing 3-bit counters, up counter. So 0, 0, 0. Next state will be 0, 0, 1. Next state will be 0, 1, 0. Next state will be 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 1. Next 1, 1, 0. Next triple 1. After that we get like this. So this is the state diagram. Okay, this is the state diagram. Now you have to draw the state table. State table. State table consists of present state, next state. So we have Q2, Q1, Q0 means 3 bits. So Q2, Q1, Q0. So present state 0, 0, 0. So what will be next state? 0, 0, 1. Now present state is 0, 0, 0, 1. What will be next state? 0, 1, 0. Now present state is 0, 1, 0. Next state will be 0, 1, 1. Now present state is 0, 1, 1. Next state is 1, 0, 0. Next present state is 1, 0, 0. Next state will be 1, 0, 1. Next for 1, 0, 1. Next state is 1, 0, 0. Next for 1, 0, 0. Next state is triple 1. For triple 1. Next state is 0, 0, 0. So this is the state table. Okay. Now step 3. Excitation table of flip-flop. Sorry, excitation table of counter. Excitation table of counter. How many count flip-flops we have? 3 flip-flops. 1, 2, 3. What are the J2, K2, J1, K1, J0, K0. Okay. So how to write this excitation? Excitation. For J2, you have to compare. For J2, K2, compare Q2 in present state and next state. For J1, K1, compare Q1 in present state, next state. For J0, K0, compare Q0 in present state and next state. Okay. See, you have to compare these two. So see, first I am comparing Q2s. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means 0 don't care. Again we have 0, 0 means 0 don't care. Again we have 0, 0. So 0 don't care. Next 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1 don't care. Next 1, 1. Don't care 0. Next 1, 1. Don't care 0. 1, 1. Don't care 0. Next 1, 0. 1, 0 means don't care 1. Okay. Next for J1 K1. J1 K1. So compare Q1 and Q0. Q1 and Q1. So 0, 0. 0 don't care. Next 0, 1. 1 don't care. Next 1, 1. Don't care 0. Next 1 0. Don't care 1. 1 2 3 4. Next 0 0. Again 0 0. 0 don't care. Next 0 1. 1 don't care. Next 1 1. Don't care 0. Next 1 0. Don't care 1. Next we have Q0 and Q1. 0 1 means 1 don't care. 1 0 means don't care 1. That is repeated. 1 don't care 0. 1. 1 don't care 1. 1 don't care 1. Okay, we get like this. Now you have to write the expression. So here we have to consider present states as inputs. So Q0, Q1, Q2 are inputs. Okay, Q0, Q1, Q2 are inputs. So I am taking indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 3-bit notation. Okay, now write the expressions. So J2 is equal to once available at 3 only, sigma 3 plus don't cares are 4, 5, 6, 7. Next K2 sigma 7. Don't cares are, what are don't cares? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next for J1, once available at 1, 5. Sigma 1 comma 5. Don't cares are 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Next for K2, sigmas are, sorry, for K1, not K. K1, 3 and 7. Don't cares are 0, 1, 4, 5. 0, 1, 4, 5. Next for J0, sigmas are 0 to 6, sorry, 4, 6. 0 to 4, 6 plus don't cares are 1, 3, 5, 7. For K0, sigmas are 1, 3, 5, 7. Don't cares are 0 to 4, 6. Right? You have to perform K map now. K map. 3 variable K map. How many 3 variables K map? This is for J1, J2, K2, J1, K1, J0, K0. Okay. Q2, Q1, Q0. 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 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Zero, 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 one, zero, one, zero, one, zero, one. This is for J2, J1, J0, K0, K1, K2. So for J0, what is expression? 0 to 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. Remaining all are don't care. So we get octet here. We get octet. So J naught is equal to what? 1. Next K naught 1, 3, 5, 7 0, 2, 4, 6 are don't care. Again we get octet. So K naught is equal to 1. Next J1 1, 5 are ones. 2, 3, 6, 7 don't care. 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 5 ones. Okay. So I am taking quad here. This is quad. Okay. So what is common term? Q bar. So J1 is equal to Q naught. J1 is equal to Q naught. Next here K1 3 sevens are ones. 0, 1, 4, 5 are don't care. 0, 1, 4, 5 don't care. 3, 7 are ones. So it is again a quad. Quad. The common value is Q naught. So K1 is also Q naught. K1 also Q naught. Okay. Next. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So only we get one. This one only. Only we get this one. So J2 is equal to what? J2. J2 is double one. Common term is double one. Means Q1, Q naught. Q1, Q naught. Then K2 0, 1, 2, 3 don't care. 7 is 1. So again we get only pair. So K2 is equal to what? Q1, Q naught. Okay. Q1, Q naught. So that you have to draw the circuit now. Okay. How many flip-flop? 3 flip-flop. First flip-flop, second flip-flop, third flip-flop. Clock is common. I am taking common clock. Next for first flip-flop, J, K, J, K, J, K. Okay. J, K, J, K, J, K. This is 0th flip-flop, first flip-flop, second flip-flop. Q naught, Q1, Q2. Okay. So for first one, J naught, K naught is always 1. So J naught, K naught is 1. Next, J1, K1, it is Q naught. J1, K1 is, it is Q naught. For J2, K2, it is Q1, Q naught, means AND gate. One AND gate is taken. AND gate output is given to J and K. What are the inputs to AND gate? Q1 and Q naught. So this is Q naught, this is Q1. Okay. So this is Q2. So final outputs are Q2, Q1, Q naught, MSB, LSB. Okay. This is the step 4, minimization. This is step 5. Okay, 3-bit up counter synchronous. Okay, 3-bit up counter synchronous. Okay, like that you have to design any counter. Mod counter, suppose I given mod counter, mod 6 counter. Mod 6 means how many states we get? 6 states. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So this is the mod counter. Okay, this is mod 6 counter. Okay, we have 6 states. So prepare present state, next state table, excitation table according to the given flip-flop. Okay, and minimize the expression, draw the circuit. Okay, the process is same. Okay, okay, thank you. This is the process of synchronous counters.